welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new video. And today's video we are going to review the set of origami papers that I have right here with me. So these are basically, in our time we used to call them craft paper. They are also called origami paper. So these are both side colored papers. So these are origami sheets that are there, which are used to make different origami stuff. And this is how it looks. So this is how it comes packaged, and it's from the brand Riddhi. So it's a popular brand from a very long time. And the size of this paper, the size of the origami paper is 15 by 15 centimeters. And in this pack you get 20 pieces of different colored papers. So the cost of this Riddhi origami paper is rupees 20. And this is a both side colored paper. So you also get the ones which is only one side color and one side is white. So the one that I purchased is both side colored, and in packaging it comes in this simple little plastic cover right here. So let's go ahead and open the origami paper set and check out how the origami paper is. Like, let's check out the quality of the paper. So in this set you get a set of 20 papers, 20 sheets. Right here I have them. So these are 20 origami sheets, and this is how they are, like matte finish sheets. You also get them in glossy finish, which is one side colored, one side plain white. But these are the matte colored matte finished ones which I have purchased. So you have two each of each color. So like I have two of yellow, two of indigo, two of green, two of black, two of orange, two of purple, two of light green, two of cream, and turquoise, two of red. So total of 10 different colors here, and two sheets each is what you get in this set. So it's a whole set of 20 sheets, and like there are 10 different colors in this which you get in this set. So guys, if you are looking to buy it, it's available on Amazon, guys. You all can check it out from there. I'll left a link in the description below so that you all can easily purchase it from there, right? If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.